Eventcube tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to launch an online conference on Eventcube. Eventcube is a platform that you can use to create virtual events, sell ticket events also, and so much more. You can also sell membership. To get started is completely free. You're going to go on eventcube.io. Then from there, you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and we're going to be selecting virtual events. After you have done that, you can see I want free/paid registration for my virtual event, or you want an enterprise level virtual event platform. So we're going to select this option. Then from there, you're going to tap on Start Selling Tickets. After you have tapped on Start Selling Tickets, you'll be redirected to the sign up page. And you can sign up using your name, email address, and create a password. Once you're signed up, you can give them a company name. So you'll type in your company name right here. So I'll just call it Jason Test. Then you can type in the estimated number of annual ticket sales. And where did you hear about Eventcube? Then you'll tap on Next. After tapping on Next, you can choose your store name. So I'll call it Test Store. And once the name is available, you can see that you'll be provided with a free domain name. Then from there, we'll tap on Create Store. Once the name is available, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can close the pop-up. After you have closed the pop-up, what I want you to do next is go over to the top left-hand corner, and you're going to tap on the plus right beside Events. After tapping on the plus, you'll now be able to create your first event. You have two options. You can either create in-person event or online. We're going to be choosing online since we are creating a conference. After you have done that, you can see right here, Eventcube broadcast, where you could live stream with text chat, or you can keep a virtual conference. That's what we'll be choosing. Then you're going to choose the event title. So I'll call it Test. Then after doing that, you're going to enter when the event will start. So you can tap on the calendar right here, or you could type out the date. So for example's sake, event starts at, so let's say for example, the 31st of January, and it will begin at 4 p.m. You can change the time if you want. And then you'll see when the event ends, and it will be ending on the 31st also. And we leave it at 9 p.m. From here, you can upload a poster. So you could upload a poster for the event. So we'll tap right there, and we're just going to be adding a random image. But you could create a poster on canva.com for completely free. After you have uploaded your poster, you can scroll down and you could add a description about your event. Then you'll tap on Save and Add Ticket. After you have tapped on Save and Add Ticket, from here you could give your ticket a title. So for example, I'll just call it General Tickets. And you can put in the quantity. After you have done that, you can scroll down. Then you could add a description. And what does this ticket include? You could add the information that this ticket include. Otherwise, from just event entry. After doing that, you can set the price that you would like to sell it for. Or if it is free, you could select free. If it is paid, you'll tap on paid. Then from there, you could select the currency. And you could set the price that you would like to sell it for. After you have set the price, you could scroll down. If you would like to offer custom booking fee or payment in installments, you can do that. And you can also see different options that you can get access to. After you have done that, you'll scroll down, and then from there, you'll tap on Save. After you have saved it, you can see your event has been created, and you'll tap on Set Up Your Plan. And this is where you'll be able to connect your Stripe account. And this will be the payment gateway that persons will be able to use to pay you. So you want to connect Stripe right there. After you have connected Stripe, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you can tap on Customize Store. After selecting Customize Store, you can upload your store logo, and you can also add in your social media links. So for example, you can add in your Twitter link, your Facebook link, and your Instagram link. And you could also scroll down and you could add background color, and you can customize how your store looks. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save, and we could select View Store. And from here, you can see how our store looks at the moment. So you can see it right there. and you'll be able to share your URL and persons will be able to come onto your store and purchase the ticket. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.